Hey y'all, so I heard that plant hauls are a thing, so we're gonna do one right now. And I went a little bit, not crazy, but I bought a good amount of stuff. I want to say 6, 7 different plants that had already started blossoming, mostly because why not? I was feeling good on my way to the nursery, and I feel that if they're already blossoming, I'm saving time. And like I said, I've learned through the plant journey is that when you buy things that are more developed, you're basically trading time for money, which really has a bigger life lesson, okay, with other things. But so the first thing that I bought today, and I have a really wrinkled shirt to celebrate the occasion. The first thing I did was bought some more of these Tumbler and Sun Gold, I think they're called, tomatoes, because can you really have enough little tomatoes? I don't think so. The Tumbler ones are supposed to be just like a compact size plant so that you can keep it in containers. And I've had some that I didn't start from seed, but I bought, and they've already started blossoming too. And if you're a newbie like me and you're just finding out how these things, not these things, but how the vegetables become vegetables, it's from the actual blossoms, the little fruit. It starts to have little flowers, and then that turns into a whole darn tomato. If you can't, there you go, tomato. So I bought a couple of these. Bought 1, 2. I should have marked what I bought, and they don't have like a sticker on it saying which is which, but I'm gonna eat it all anyway, so it really doesn't matter to me. I also got another one. I got 3 tomato plants. That's what I did. Got 3 tomato plants. I also got 2 zucchini plants, which I'm afraid, I really stayed away from them because I hear they get freaking huge. But today I was like, screw it, we gonna buy some. I might be kicking myself later because it already had this little zucchini here, and I heard that you have to like hand pollinate it. Girl, we gonna see how it goes, okay? We're gonna see how it goes. And it says that you need full sun, and it's gonna go and harvest in 46 days, and they are plentiful. We shall see. I'm kind of scared, but I think that I'm gonna take the risk and see what happens and figure it out, because most of the time that's what I just do anyway. I also got these Mexican sour gherkin little cucumber things. I got a couple of those years ago at a farmer's market in Union Square in New York, and I always thought it was so cute, and it was like an experience just having them in the first place. But they look like this, and they've already started blossoming. This one, see here? And so it should be, you know, making fruit soon. And I hope it doesn't vine too much, but we're gonna figure out that too. I also got that's it. This was not a very long haul. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plants I got today. I got 2 bean plants because really, can you really go wrong with having too many beans? I don't think so. You can always freeze them. I think I put that in another video. You can freeze them. Every time I go and pick them off, the ones that I have, the plants I have already, I just end up eating them all right then. Like, they never even get it in the house for the most part. So I bought this one, Dragon's Tongue, and it's already starting to have like little buds there. And this one is the bush bean, and it's the dark purple queen, which I always say is good to get as much colors as you can in your diet, because the purple foods produce have, for the most part, most of them have anthocyanin. I always put an R in it when it's unnecessary, and that has a lot of antioxidants in it. So you always want to make sure that you're eating the most antioxidants as you can. So this one's already have some little buds on there, which means that they should be starting to bear fruit very soon. I also started some from seed, so I'm just kind of like successive sowing, but we bought these, because it was my daughter and I, we bought these because I figured they're gonna be coming to harvest pretty soon. The reason why I've been doing gardening more than anything is because it has been bringing me joy. And with everything going on out in the world, it's a crazy, crazy place. And I never would have thought that I would be a plant person at all. And apparently I am. So next year we're gonna do a hardcore garden, but this year we're all container. But so far I've learned a tremendous amount, which I will be, I guess, sharing at some point, but along the way you just learn things. And I still have so much to learn, but they make me happy, okay? At least it's something that I can spend my money on and invest in, and then I can eat it as opposed to just having it in my closet, which I've done plenty times. So all this stuff that I bought just now, the whatever amount of plants that I said, it was $25 that I spent today. And that included a little begonia that my daughter picked out because she was like, that one, Mom, that one. She's 2. But that's it for this little vlog haul, whatever it is I'm gonna call it. See these little tomatoes? They already on there, so they should be ripening up soon enough. And we eat a tremendous amount of tomatoes. The things that I've got pretty much are things that would have cost more money in the store. You know, they're just more expensive. Little organic tomatoes, organic beans, things like that, especially like specific beans that you don't see in the store. Just, you know, just go ahead and grow if you're able. I understand that not everybody's able to do it, and I don't know what I'm gonna do when it comes to fall, because I think I'm gonna miss this once it gets colder, but that's a whole other thing. I hope that this was enjoyable. Let me know if you have any tips for me with the growing of the plants, and I will see you next time. Please subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you again.